Change currency in Trip.com. Let's get started. How to change currency in Trip.com. So the first step is you just have to follow all of these steps. First, open the Trip.com application. Then go to Trip.com app and tap on account in the navigation menu. Tap the gear icon that represents settings and select currency and choose the currency you want to use from the list. So if you're on a website, you have to follow the same processes. You just have to be at your browser and look for the country section, currency section. It may be at the top of page. Click on it and select the currency you wish to use. Now I will show you the whole process in pictures. From here you will see the main page. Now from the main page you have to select this account option. In this select account option, you will see the next page. The currency is written here, that is marked with the red. Now after clicking on it, you will see all of these currencies. Just select the one according to your need and you are all to go. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.